So what countries can you travel to if all you have is a US green card, or maybe you're a permanent resident in the United States? In this video, I've compiled a list of about 14 different countries that you can travel to with their requirements if you're looking to just get out. Maybe you just want to go on a vacation, or you're just obsessed with travel like I am. This video is going to help you make those decisions, and I hope it helps. Let's get right into it. So the reason why I'm making this video is because a couple years ago I moved to the United States and I am obsessed with travel. So as soon as I got my US green card or my permanent residency, I was already looking for places that I can go that wouldn't require me to have a visa. So not having a visa just makes things a lot easier. If you are a US citizen, or if you're a Canadian citizen or an EU citizen, you know the luxury of having citizenships from these countries. It just enables you to be able to cross borders without having to worry about all of the things that you would otherwise have to worry about. So having a US green card also gives you the same benefits as being an American or as being a Canadian, but some countries just require more. In fact, most of the countries require more. But in this video, I've compiled those countries that require you to not have a visa. Some of them allows you to be in the country for up to 90 days, some of them for up to 180 days, and some of them for up to 14, maybe even 30 days. But I will name those countries here, and if you want to download a list of these countries, I've put them in a Notion template that you can download down in the description. You don't have to give me your email. It's completely without strings. So let's get right into it. So let's start from North America. The first country that you can go to, of course, it borders America to the north, and that is Canada. Canada allows you to be in the country for up to 6 months, and all you need to do is to pay a $7 fee and get the electronic travel document, which is like an ETA that you need to get before you enter Canada, and you can be there for up to 6 months. The next country, North America, is Mexico, that borders the United States to the south, which is where I am right now. In fact, in the last 12 months, I've lived in Mexico for about 5 months of those, and it's probably the easiest country to gain access to as an American citizen or as a green card holder, because there are straight flights to Mexico City and to other cities in Mexico, and also it's a very great country to be in for an extended period of time. So Mexico gives you up to 6 months when you come in. Of course, it is not a right, it is only by privilege. You get 6 months visa on arrival, but that doesn't mean you get 6 months every time you come here. In fact, there's been a lot of crackdown on people coming here getting 30 days or even 2 weeks in the last couple of months. So you need to be sure, especially your port of entry, where you come in from. Mexico City is notorious for that. And now let's go to Central America, and the first country I want to mention here is Costa Rica. Costa Rica allows you to come into the country either for business or for work, regardless of what visa type you have. Even if you have a work visa, a green card, which is like an H-1B or an L4, whatever that is, you can enter Costa Rica for up to 30 days, and all you need to do is show proof of onward travel, which means you just have to get a round-trip ticket and, of course, hotel reservation in order to enter Costa Rica. And there are services that allows you to book your round-trip flight, even if you'd only have to pay about $12 or something. So you don't have to pay for the full flight to enter the country. You can book this temporary flights or just temporary hotel stays in order to get past the border security. And the next country would be Belize. Belize, as you probably know, is one of the most beautiful countries in Central America, and in fact in the world. Belize allows you to enter the country, I believe, for up to 30 days, and all you have to do is again show your proof of onward travel and hotel accommodation, which again you can get temporary ones. I'll leave some links in the description if I find them. And the next country in Central America is Panama. Panama allows you to come into the country with a green card without needing a visa. You can get a visa on arrival, and all you have to provide is your green card, a $500 in your bank account, and a round-trip ticket. That is all you need to enter Panama. Now let's go to South America. There are no countries that allow you to enter South America except one, and that is Peru. Peru allows you to enter the country, but the caveat is that you must be a Chinese citizen. So you must be from China in order to get a visa on arrival with your green card when you're going to Peru. But other than that, there are no countries in South America that allows US green card holders to enter their country. Now, my personal favorite is the Balkans. The Balkans is such a beautiful place to go to. It is not very much talked about, especially online. A lot of people are not I would say not open-minded to go to these places because they have an history of communism. But if you've been here to any of the Balkan countries, I was in Albania for almost 3 months and I really enjoyed my time there. I've made a couple of videos about Albania, which you can find anywhere in the cards or down description, or you can check my channel, to find these videos. Albania is such a beautiful country, and if you go there, you will not regret it. So countries in the Balkans that allows you to enter, first of all, is Albania. Albania allows you to be there for 90 days out of a 180-day period. So in a 365-day period, Albania allows you to be in their country for up to 180 days with your green card without a visa. So you get a visa on arrival. In fact, they don't even stamp your passports anymore. The next one is Montenegro. Montenegro is just bordering Albania to, I believe, the northeast. Montenegro allows you to be in the country for up to 30 days without a visa, just your green card, and you're good to go. And North Macedonia allows you to be in the country for up to 15 days. And also Georgia, the country of Georgia, not the state of Georgia. The country of Georgia allows you to be in the country 90 days out of a 180-day period. So for its 365-day period, you can be in Georgia for up to 180 days. And Georgia is becoming an hotspot for digital nomads, especially Tbilisi, which is the capital of the city. You find very beautiful landscapes. So if you go to Georgia, you will be finding a lot of things to do. And it's also a beautiful country, especially in the summer. In the winter time, you can go there skiing, and also in the summertime, it's also a good place to stay out of for many months at a time. So let's go to the Caribbean. The British Virgin Islands allows you to be in the in the territory for up to 30 days. All you need is the proof of accommodation and your onward ticket. Also Aruba and Curacao. Of course, I did not find information on how many days you can be in this territory for. I think it's by the discretion of the border officer that allows you in. And not just Aruba and Curacao, all the Dutch islands in the Caribbean allows you to be there. Of course, it's a discretion of the border official that allows you in. And finally, in Asia, Singapore is the only country that allows green card holders to come into the country without a visa. But the caveat is that you have to be an Indian or Chinese citizen. So if you're from India, if you're from China, you can go to Singapore for 30 days without a visa, just your green card. So these are some of the countries that you can go to. I just decided to make this video because these were some of the questions that I had when I first received my residency, and also as someone who loves to travel, I just wanted to know what countries can I go to without having to apply for visas. I hope this video is helpful. Again, if you want to download this list, I'll leave a link down in the description. It's going to be there. It's a Notion template you can download for yourself and go do your own research. This is by no means an advice or immigration advice or anything like that. Do your own research and make sure you find your information before you go with what's in this document. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, consider subscribing to this channel and leave a comment if you have any questions. My name is Daniel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.